How to fix smart lock not working in Oppo Reno 14f. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the Google Play Services app. Now click on it and click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of Google Play Services. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on software update and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update the latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and then click on reset all settings. Now here enter your password for reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. Now restart your device, press L for power button and swipe up for restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.